The most common reason your iPhone 15 running iOS 26 can't connect to 5G is weak or inconsistent coverage in your area. Ensuring you're within an area with proper 5G service often resolves the problem. Other possible causes include temporary connection conflicts, outdated network registration, incorrect carrier settings, or network configuration errors that affect cellular performance. In this video, you'll learn 5 quick fixes to restore your 5G connection on your iPhone 15. So follow along and you'll be back to enjoying faster mobile data speeds in no time. The first thing you need to do is restart your iPhone. This refreshes your connection to your carrier's network. So swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the control center and tap the power icon in the top right corner. Slide the slider to the right to shut down your device. After a few seconds, press and hold the side key until the Apple logo appears. If the problem continues, toggle airplane mode. This disconnects and reestablishes your connection to nearby cell towers. To do this, open Control Center again by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable it, wait 5 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Next, manually select your carrier. Sometimes your iPhone may fail to automatically reconnect to the right network. To check on that, open Settings, then tap Cellular. Tap the SIM card you want to fix, then tap Network Selection, turn off Automatic, and choose your carrier from the list that appears. If that still doesn't fix it, reset your network settings. This clears out incorrect configurations and reconnects your phone to the cellular network from scratch. To do this, open Settings again, then tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Confirm your action and let your phone restart. Finally, if your iPhone 15 still won't connect to 5G, contact your carrier. There may be a network issue, provisioning problem, or 5G restriction on your account that only your provider can fix. These 5 solutions should be enough to restore 5G connectivity on your iPhone 15. But if the issue continues, it's best to visit an Apple store or your carrier for professional help. If this video helped you fix your iPhone 15, please give it a like, or watch another video to learn more ways to optimize your network connection.